Welcome back, everybody. My name is Dorito, and this... I honestly have no idea. I haven't played this game in a week, so... But I got some good news for you guys. I figured out how to turn off my notifications, because it was pissing me off that everyone kept spamming me. But how does one... Damn, I completely forgot what I was supposed to do. I'm pretty sure I'm still looking for those two girls, and if I remember where they are, they're outside somewhere. Yeah, I can't have that brick. How do I turn on my flashlight? Oh, God. Oh, okay, there we go. I remember I was on a hunt for shinies, but I already went this way, so I doubt there's any new shinies. But if there is, then shit. And if you guys seen my long dark episode, what the fuck? I'm back here. If you guys seen my long dark episode, you might realize that the title got changed because I thought I had 2 hours on that trial. Apparently I only had an hour. I was gonna load it up and record the rest of it today, but it just said, nope, you're out of time. When last time I checked, I saw like 15 minutes left. But it's alright, it's just a game preview. I can't play it again unless I buy it. And all my videos have been like delayed and all scrabbled up because I've been occupied at the moment. Now I'm just trying to figure out where in the hell do I go? Where do I go? Let's try the room that's over here. Let's just try it. I don't know. This might be the way. Might not. Maybe? Yeah, it is. It's because we stopped this. What? Wait, is there any more monsters? Oh, yes, there is. I hear him. There's one right there. Oh, shit. There's another one. Fuck out of here. Oh, shit. I forgot I had, like, no ammo. It's alright. I got one bullet left. You think I can get him? I got him. But he's not dead. Shit. Okay. Shit. Get back. Get back. Oh, you fucking bitch. Alright. Alright, hold A to sprint. Hey, yeah, what is this? Nice! I couldn't get that before. Oh, is this supposed to be like the Statue of Liberty? Getting gas from that. Yeah, here we go. Alrighty. Let's go, little girl. I forgot if I gave you a nickname or not. I think I did. I just don't remember what I gave it. Head for the tower.
We're almost to the radio tower.
Can I just pop around over there and be like, I'm on my way?
You recognize any of this?
No. Sorry.
It's all right.
You done glitching out there? Alright, let's go. Now...
Almost there. Still with me?
Every time I try to talk, this motherfucker.
Yeah, I have strong legs.
But I still am clueless about some of the controls. And I don't exactly remember what happened besides we went to the tower. This dude got introduced. Wait, you can climb through there, right? How do I switch characters? Why? Haha! I was just fucking guessing.
do?
Break this.
You need to break the lock. See anything around there you could use?
How do how do I, no. Can I break this? A lock. A lock. You think a little girl can... Yes! Brick. You think a little girl... How do I throw? Okay, I guess I will not have to know. Nice! Little girl, you is strong. Now. Alright, before I waste ammo, how do I melee? Nice. Ooh, weed! Nice. Let's explore up here real quick before we go rescue
You stick close to me,
my
okay?
probably daughter. Or is this where
Okay.
we're supposed to go? No, the tower's right there. So, I'm assuming there's just going to be goodies back here. Thank you. Reload. Now how do I bring out my... Shit. How do I melee? B, A, X. The hell was that? That was no damn owl. Maybe I have to walk up to a crate, and that'll maybe will give me the option to melee. Fuck you, owl, bro. Where you is? Okay, that's blocked off. What is down here? A drop off. Should I take it? Because I'm kind of going away from the tower. If I take this, will I be able to get back up? Shit. Oh, I hope this doesn't fuck me over. My dude, you act like that little girl's weight's gonna help you? You didn't even bother catching her. What the fuck?
There's something out there.
What the fuck? I knew I shouldn't have went this way. There better be goodies to at least make up for this. It won't let me control. What the fuck is that?
Stay back.
What is wrong with your body? You was a freak of nature, you know. Oh shit, where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Oh. That fucking fucked up piece of monster. Ah, down. Breach and clear. How do I melee? Alright, hang on. Let me figure out how to melee real quick. That helps. Melee, attack. I don't want to fire my gun, though. What is going on? Okay, nice. It doesn't. I hear footsteps. They better be your footsteps. Not fucking around. Oh boy. Hang on. Do your ninja senses. Alright, apparently it's not near us. If that bullshit is immune to that sort of thing, I'm gonna shit my pants. I'm gonna do it too. Nice. Nice and gooey. Duty in my pants. What is that? Ooh, rifle ammo. Fuck. Yeah, sure. It's behind me! It's behind me! It's behind me!
What's wrong?
Oh!
Saw something.
Yeah. Don't go into that. Mm-mm. Ain't doing it. Okay, I can't go that way. Fuck, I gotta go under it, don't I? It's gonna attack me. have a feeling, and it's gonna do it, and it's gonna beat my ass, and I'm gonna die. I'm not fucking with you. You think I'm fucking with you, but I'm not. That's right. What am I supposed to do now? Do I continue trying opening the door? But that thing's gonna come out. Can I trust you with this gun, little girl? Drop that brick. You need a damn gun. You're gonna protect me, right? Actually, first, let's see if I can see it. Oh, shit! What the fuck? Why you gotta wait till I switch to the girl? That's bullshit! Fuck. Forgot how to play. Forgot how to play. Go for the girl, not me! Oh shit, not really. No. What the fuck? What? No fucking way. Okay. Really? Eat all them damn bullets to the head and all this bullshit, but as soon as I shoot you in the goddamn ankle, you die? You gonna blow up? No? Girl, that scared the fuck out of me. You don't even know. I got the volume hella loud on my damn head from my phones. I should have used this. This thing probably would have been like, kapow! Blowing his ass up. Fuck this game. Stupid ass. Of course it waited until I switched to the girl. Like, that's fucked up. The girl don't have a weapon. What are you gonna do? Throw a brick at it? The fuck? Come on. Almost there. Why did I even go this route? I bet you didn't even have to go this way. I don't fucking know.
I don't know, honey. Let's keep our eyes peeled in case there's more.
Big scary monster. That's what it was. Fuck, there is more. I hear it. It sounds like it's gargling on blood or some shit. That's nasty. Fucking hate those things. They don't die. Great. Thanks. Alright, if we see one, run. Do not stare. Just run. Ah, there you are, bitch. You didn't scare me this time. I heard you. I'm shooting you in the head. I'm shooting near your head. Thank you. Can I stomp on you now? You a freak of nature. Look like fucking Frankenstein. Oh shit. Where the hell did he come from? See, the first time it scared me. Because I wasn't expecting it. Now that I'm expecting you guys, you can't scare me. Fuck off! Get away from me! Thanks. That brick really killed him. Thanks. Without me and you make a good team. You know that? Without that brick, I would have been a goner. Oh shit. See? I just fucking scared myself. I actually smacked my mic. Well, my headset. Thinking it was gonna explode. Thank you, man. My samurai eagle. Thank you. Hang on, everybody. Give me a second. Give me a second. Adjusting my headset since, you know, I accidentally smacked it. Okay. What is this? Yeah, I like my trusty AR, but then again, it doesn't have that much ammo, so I'll switch to my pistol. Next, you know what? Next motherfucker I see, he's gonna get blasted in the face with a magnum. No sex pun intended. Is there a waypoint thing that I can see where my waypoints are? Or am I just stuck in the dark like Slender, but with a gun this time? I don't like those things. They don't die. Thank you. At least they give me ammo back. I probably should be more, like, conservative about my ammunition. Follow the lights. They lead you into darkness. I just made a U-turn. Shit. Don't follow the lights. They're full of bullshit. Wait, there's a light over there, I think. What is that? Yeah, is that a light? Yeah, oh, that's a tower. Why do I still got my knife out? Fuck knives. Ugh. Oh shit. Okay. Boom! Ate it. Boom! Still ate it. Boomy! See, that's bullshit. This is a strong gun. Okay. Let's see if... Okay, so if I'm not aiming in, that's the gun. That's the melee. But if I'm aiming in, it's gonna shoot. What are you? Ooh.
Need your help.
A small hand. Don't put your hand in that gearbox. You're gonna lose a hand. I'm skeptical about switching to you because last time I got jump scared. Fuck it. Any more of those dick sticks? Look at the concentration on her face. Can you drop? How do I throw with the fucking rock? Throw the rock. Oh, the bumper. There you go. Fuck that thing. Not the rock! Oh, I'm completely reversed. I thought... Nowhere near, but okay. I got my shit backwards. All that for a ruby. I'm gonna go this way. Never mind, I'm gonna go this way. Mantle. I can't mantle in this game. Sad face. At least I got my weed. Break this. They're giving me more ammo. It makes me feel like I'm gonna get shot. Or I'm gonna have to shoot. I wonder if things shoot back at me. I wonder how to get the hell out of here. I am lost in a game of Slender with guns, zombies, monsters, and bullshit. Okay? Major bullshit. And I don't like it. Because I'm lost. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. What the fuck? Please tell me this is the way. What is this? Arrow. Forest map. Thank you. Still doesn't necessarily help me as of right now because I still need to find a way out of here. Go around the big boulder. Avoid the log. What is this? Can I climb this? I don't want to climb this. What is down here? This may be the way back home.
Finally, a clearing.
Never mind. Oh, girl, there's a barrel. Handgun ammo. Sweet. Switch to the AR. Actually, now I got pistol ammo. Now we get Samurai Eagle. Am I out of the shit box or no?
Freaks had some of the same symptoms as Ouroboros.
What the fuck is that? Hey! Wait a minute.
It's a
Yo!
virus some bad people
Yo!
used in Africa a couple of years ago.
There's a motherfucker in there.
How did it get out here?
You guys don't see this, right? Good. I'm gonna act scared. Professional YouTubing right here. Professional YouTubing. Alright, what's in here? Ah! Oh shit, that mouse actually scared me more than anything else. Oh shit. Ah! There's a zombie. Just in case. This one's gonna get up. Don't fucking do it. Okay, good, they won't. Ooh, a note. Written in Russian. Wow. I can't believe it. I got out of there alive. I won't stay... Shit. I won't say... What? I won't say in one piece? Oh, okay. Brain derp. I won't say in one piece, but alive. I still can't even process what went on there, period. All that effort in trying to scare us, toy with us, it was madness. Madness. This is Resident Evil! I met up with some guys in the forest, but they didn't believe me. Can't say I blame them. I wouldn't have believed me either. After all, who would dare to go up against the one who saved us all? So you saved everyone? What a hero. I can't do this alone. I went to the communications tower to try and call for help, but I couldn't get a signal through. We're all alone out there. But if we don't get word outside, we're all done for. Fuck! Savior? Hell no. She's more like the devil herself. I honestly do not know what's up with this game. Every time I try reading a note in this game, I can't read. I don't understand. Only in this game, I can read normally. Except for this game. How do I get around there and get that goodie box? Where the hell do I go to get that goodie box?
I can probably break this lock.
Bravo. Handgun ammo. Come in handy. Alright, come on, little girl. Let's climb down this hill again where I use all of your weight to balance me. That doesn't even look far. Why can't I just jump down? You don't even bother catching her, dude. Oh,
They're back.
shit.
Right.
Wait, there's an arrow over there. Is that a note? What is that? I can't see. Oh, fuck. There's two of them. Yup. Better go guns a-blazing. Do I really have to hide, or am I supposed to kill them? I'm going to chill here for a few extra seconds, but if they don't move, I'm going to have to kill them. Brace yourself, fool. I'm finna kick your ass. Let's go. Oh, what the fuck? Get back, bitches! Get on the ground! That's right. That was so much easier than shooting them. You just sizzle up into... What is this? Blueberry jam? There's a poster. Something down there. Not gonna do it. Is this the exit? Fuck, I'm gonna have to do it. There might be goodies. And it's for the video. Jump scares, any more glitched bodies. Jump scares, I love myself some jump scares. What is this? Did that door just make a rattle? Why do I need this? Wait, hang on. Drop it. There's gold. Oh, drop this. It's locked from the other side. Oh, that's probably what I'm supposed to climb over. I have a gun. Shoot the damn door. Now how does one jump? Okay. No. Alright, then let's look out here for another way. What the hell are you doing? Oh wait a minute, I think I know. Place it here. Place. Jump over. No? That's totally a solution to this problem. What do I do with this? Man, fucking puzzle games. Yeah. What the hell? Let's try this. Jump over. Jump over. What the fuck? What am I supposed to do? I want to get this. Watch there only be like a fucking ruby in there. Bet money. Young Wheezy money. If I can't figure this out, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to leave it because, you know, bullshit. I honestly have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this. I'm giving up. Whatever. If there's really good shit in there, fuck. But let's open up this door. Alright. There's a new log cabin over here. I'm in a new location.
Now we're talking.
Alright. Unfortunately, I'm out of time. See? This game makes me, like, not able to speak nor talk. Which is the same meaning. Talk. Yeah, fuck it. Just, whatever. I don't care. This game is haunting me. But I'm at the tower, but unfortunately I'm all out of time. So thank you all so much for watching. This has been Dorito. If you like this series and you want to see more, let me know by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to like as well. That also helps out a lot. Lets me know what type of videos to produce for you guys. But if you're new to the channel and you want to see more content like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button. But as always, I'll see you guys later. Peace.